Hello everyone, welcome to See the Seer reading. Today we are going to do love reading for the month of July for Taurus, Sun, Moon and Rising. So Taurus, let's see what is in stores for you. We'll do a detailed prediction of what's your situation, what's your recent past, what are your challenges in the love, what's coming in your future, what exactly is the issue, your loved one, what's going on with them, your love advice, and what's the long-term potential. So let's get started. So I think somewhere Taurus, some situation has recently worked out in your life, and this is something which has happened in the divine timing, and this is something which was supposed to happen, and it was somewhere to lift your soul, to make you realize what is your soul purpose, or somewhere maybe it was if it was a karmic partner, the partner was here to teach you something and to liberate you from the karmic cycle. It seems that you somewhere felt heartbroken, and this energy is still lingering, and there was a lot of pressurized situation. It was a very difficult situation for you, because of which now it seems that you lost the connection with people, place, and you might be feeling not connected, interested in doing anything and with anyone, be it friends, be it work, or be it personal life. You feel a bit demotivated. But Taurus, I think somewhere this is the situation of your partner as well. As we said that this was a very divinely orchestrated situation. So it was meant to happen, and it has happened. Somewhere you might already be given the signs in beginning of this relationship that, this is not something a lot of long-term potential. It does not hold a long-term potential. And right now I'm seeing that you are very much disinterested and not at all focused genuinely in whatever you are doing. There's a lot on your table, on your plate, but somewhere you are just sticking with this hopeful energy that things will work out. There's a lot of thing in front of you, personally, professionally, financially, but you are just not paying attention. You are in a lot of overthinking and escaping energy. In the recent past, there was a lot of negativity, a lot of toxicity you might have experienced because of breaking of this connection somewhere. And because of the separation, I think some of you have actually separated from your partner, and some might actually be going on through the separation. So a lot of nostalgic energy is there. You are just trying to cling to the hope that yes, things are going to work out for us. If I see what exactly is the challenge, you are not accepting the situation as is. You're not accepting that it is over. You're in a lot of denial energy. You are in a lot of escaping and not facing the truth and the reality of what has happened. That you're still having hopes that this will work out maybe at some point of time. If the divine will want it, it will work out. But I somewhere feel that you really need to be at peace with this. Some people come in our life and they have their own how do we say, they have their own karma to fill. It could be a past life connection, it could be that something karmic in a good way, beautiful way, but the time is now over. The person's energy needs to be released now. In the near future, I am seeing that you will come at peace. You will start moving on from this energy. You will set them free, but somewhere still a little bit of temptation is lingering around. I'm seeing that yes, it's a card of temptation. 2 cards I have received here for temptation. So the advice is that you really need to be at peace. You need to release them. but you really need to start now working on your foundation instead of getting tempted and diverting your energy from all those things that need a lot of your attention. Somewhere it also happened that, to continue this connection, or since quite some time, could be 3 years, 3 months, 3 weeks, you are compromising somewhere. You are putting down your guards. You are not maintaining certain boundaries with this person, where you know that this is something which is going to end. A lot of ego issues are there, and this can be an internal ego and a lot of temptation again I'm seeing. So also it could be that you with your partner must have been in a power dynamic situation where a lot of ego played a big role in ending of this connection. And somewhere also as a lesson, I think that this person came into your life to detach you from the ego, to start creating certain boundaries in life, especially in relationships, which you always never paid attention to. Somewhere it seems that for few of you, please take what resonates and leave the rest. It might be that your partner, your loved one, might actually be getting married, moving towards a different relationship, and it is a lot to do with setting the family dynamics, recognizing, getting the recognition, doing it for someone else, could be friends, family, social status. And I think somewhere the person is going to realize that the decision which they took was actually not a wise decision. They might actually delay it if they have not already set the intention of, if they have not already agreed to get married. They might try to delay it as much as they can. Somewhere I'm seeing actually some of them are already delaying with a hope that maybe they will be able to convince their families for this connection with you. But the advice I here see is, Taurus, this is not a healthy connection for you. Even if in short term they might come back, they might give it a try, but at the end it's you only who's going to be on this journey of your life. And this is not a long-term potential, I still don't see. And somewhere you might also be in a mental conflict if you should actually give this a chance, right? Because long-term potential, something really great is coming. And also I'm seeing that truth is going to be revealed about this person. Maybe few of you will get to know that the person took this step for financial stability and not more of social status. Also for others, I think that in case you still plan to go ahead with this connection, it is going to require a lot of sacrifice from you, and it will always be a very painful energy, because there's a lack of connection, there's a lack of not connection, there's a lack of communication with this person. A lot of obstacles and challenges are there, because you have somewhere saturated this connection. Let's see, check the cards, what your person has to say to you. We'll just pull these cards, and we'll check your person's messages for you, Taurus. Just give me a second. I will shuffle the cards and we'll just go ahead from there. We'll check what exactly your person felt for you. Somewhere the person actually was with you for a really good time, but the person was a bit toxic, you could say, and they also found you toxic. And I'm seeing a lot of dual energy. It's they're liking the connection for all the goods and very top level superficial things, and they always knew that it's not going to be a long term connection. And they have changed a lot for you. and you have somewhere also changed a lot as a person for them, which we were talking about the card of boundaries here, that you somewhere always let your guards down, let other person cross your boundaries. Somewhere one of the person in this connection actually was having issues or facing issues financially, and one person was also feeling very restricted in this connection, right? But they could not move ahead because of these restrictions, financial issues. Okay. So Taurus, overall energy is that you should actually take some time and just sit with yourself and see if this connection is actually for your growth emotionally, mentally, and physically as well. Because it's a long term partnership. When you are together with your partner, you really need to see long term, and it should not be focused on the short term emotions or impulsive discussions or impulsive decisions. You need to take your time through this and then take a decision. We'll soon check again what's coming in for you in another reading, what's in store for you, for those looking for a new connection, for those trying to move on already. Thank you so much.